going to rob this house today. I'm going to steal money. You're under arrest. And welcome back. Today's experiment will be about electricity. Let's get started. Before we get started, what is electricity? Electricity is the energy that powers our electronic and electric devices. Example, fan is an electrical device and smartwatch is an electronic device. You've been wondering, what's the difference between electrical and electronic devices? Well, electrical devices is a device that turns electricity into another form of energy. For example, in light bulbs, they turn electricity into heat, while electronic devices like my smartwatch use chips and semiconductors and don't turn electricity into another form of energy.